Scars of recent protest in Boitumelong. More than 10 houses belonging to councillors and police officials torched. On the eve of the poll, residents vow not to vote. At this home, IEC officials chased away during a visit. Others could not vote for fear of reprisals. Residents also boycotted a peace prayer meeting.
The security clusters will deploy the security personnel according to the level of what would be seen as a threat in particular places or possible kind of thing. I think Northwest has become quite a problematic place, and very serious measures are being taken, as well as one or two other places.
Tensions are also running high in Sterkspruit. A school library earmarked as a voting station was set alight last night. Fighting for a standalone municipality, the town has been engulfed in violent protests during the past year. Fearing a resurgence of violence, many shops have been closed.
On Saturday, I welcomed the IEC staff to conduct their workshop. It was Saturday, and yesterday it was Sunday, and on Monday the school was banned.
We're not going to vote on Wednesday until the government came down and gave the residents or the community the municipality.
500 additional police officers and 100 SANDF soldiers have been deployed in Sterkspruit.
On the eve of elections, President